Meaning of dimness.
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 Dimness. The word dimness refers to a lack or reduction in brightness or clarity, often resulting in reduced visibility or obscurity. Dimness can be caused by factors such as darkness, shadow, fog, mist, or cloudiness. In general, dimness can make it difficult to see or perceive objects and details in one's environment, which can be problematic for activities that require good visibility, such as driving or reading. It can also create an atmosphere of mystery or ambiguity, as things that are dimly lit or unclear often stimulate the imagination.